Welcome to Listen and Speak Mastery, where we harness the power of imitation to propel your speaking skills to new heights. Today, we'll practice affirmations and motivational phrases, using repetition to reinforce your fluency and confidence. Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of speaking practice. Remember, imitation techniques aren't just about mimicking words, they're about embodying confidence and clarity. So, let's get started. Repeat after me. Now, let's say it together. Repeat after me. I am capable of achieving greatness. Excellent! Speaking confidently isn't just about words, it's about believing in yourself and your abilities. Let's try that one. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth. Fantastic! Remember, every word you speak is an opportunity to strengthen your communication skills. Now repeat after me. I embrace new experiences with courage and enthusiasm. Wonderful! Speaking fluently isn't just about the words you say, it's about how you say them, with conviction and passion. Remember, mastering speaking skills takes practice and persistence. By using imitation techniques like these, you're laying a solid foundation for fluent, confident communication. Keep practicing and watch your skills grow. Thank you for joining us today on Listen and Speak Mastery. Stay tuned for more tips and exercises to help you become a fluent speaker. Until the next time, keep speaking with confidence.